Hi, welcome to Vintagebakes 101. I'll be your host, Jennifer. Today we're going to make Old World Puff pancakes. There's 2 pages to this recipe. It's going to be delicious. We're going to heat the oven to 425. We're going to use a 9x13 pan. She's now dumping 2 tablespoons of butter into the 9x13 pan. This pan she's going to gently put in the hot oven without burning herself. 3 eggs. Cracked. 3. She did the number 3. 3/4 cup milk. 3/4 cup milk coming into those eggs. Now, you see she's 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. 3/4 cups. I don't know what kind of scoop she's using, but it is not a 1/4 cup scoop. So I'm really unsure how she's getting this flour proportion. She's doing 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. That's ground nutmeg, not fresh nutmeg. 2 teaspoons of ground store-bought nutmeg. They had that in the old days, because I think real nutmegs poison you. Now she's whisking it. Oh, the butter has melted but not burned, so that's an accomplishment. Okay, now we're going to pour it into the hot pan. Good job. Nicely done. This takes a lot of skill, as you can see. Oh, and it's done. We've cooked that in the 425 oven for 16 to 18 minutes. Depends on how hot your oven is. And then you can garnish it as we did with some frozen raspberries and a little bit of sugar. As you can see, she cut it American style, without a knife. And you can also decorate it with lemon wedges. Like, subscribe, and share.